Tháinig slat tauis leige Donegal Ryan Hainam Liana le gachla gríise bóta go. Le cléamháin bóta ráchla cailteachs cóscóir amháin bhí teispáint na Galway treis bheith thuas se híos se gríise. An aireachta tata slí Donegal a chlí. Carpán Bernach is Kevin Cassidy a ham an trátrachta.
Johnny Fair, coming here she was ucht the roads, tuske Conora. This count Nimmery. Is hard to guide wins for Brent Connell Finnerty. That she shin mar score lay ag Rob. Manival fada. Agus kick draw fada get. Bishop Grutze in Tamshot. They go Donald agus a Don Sharp on the shot. O'Donnell forced to give out. He go on past the horse. Martha she fought just a goal again.
Darkatje, Conor O'Donnell, Rees, the reverse of Yerichin, you know, Daniel Werner got over the year, right, Sheen Toon Shaw, and Lewis to take a keen Darcy in the uniform list, Neil Shea Abelta, I guess, countries Mercury.
I guess, I shouldn't have through the pellet, could he chef out the night, and so Carl, come on, Cognailach, like Emmerts, and we know Nish. To go Donald to shot, a brand new Lawler money, which a non score up, to shot, Gaillimh Johnny McGrath. Connor fought it, Ego Donald, shin score, glued. And like men on TV still, home ball, forced to give Lish. He didn't Dory, or her father Lish. To shin Titsy way, I guess Shanton shot, like Johnny McGrath, I guess a guy. Or Cornelia, a Kelly. Sean Kelly. Taki Macadini in the Lachul, a couple of Cliffet. And Concha Bulte Gushi Madonacha, a score double to Vahon. August Tom Copla Falte, like Farron Lee Van Let's more.
Dog and Ladog and Shin, Hanig Shan Splash, Team 2 in Shaw, Haster and Al Shear, August Lockshan score, Gashin Dog Ratcha.
Yeah, scoring to Harvad. See McFadden, John Maher. 2 seconds, Foki. Kasha Gallagher Scooping shot. Shot second. Urama Gallagher to free, Kinhern. Kasha Woolaga Scoopy. Fátig McDonagh, Tashi Yard, agus Tashi Harrod Saston on score a fad. And button on Shate, agus score a Fátig Gallagher. Shouldn't have to a Cluffy mar shot.
Should Agus, you know, shouldn't clean in the hand in the air. Oh.
Nish. Namu Ord and Champion. It's Steve McMenamin. Agus Kinna Ella the Denigrator.
Yeah, been Ellen Arist Erd.
Agus Keen Hernan. Agus Carta Bui in Ursha. First I can't get that. Marshall Carta Darragh. Can't squeeze it, Shane McGrath. And can't Darlishgra. Jack Kleina called to book into the guy. Nish Murphy. Fátig meet Michael. Madokisha score. Tolkien. For Shane Cake on the move. Near Shaladar can the move.
Yeah, he'll make go a bit of switch. You cool and Shen. And can you cart locking Michael and Shen that was cool. Or cool and you castle it in now.
Yeah, drop fast like Shane McGrath. And get Dick Shagadiras. Sean Kelly on the Kellogg. Gaillimh Silk. Shane McGrath. And pass by these two skin, you don't know if I've run the sheer no shot. Take John Maher. John Maher long up the score all. McGrath, you see, I get score das. Durkmaker to score Tastel. I get dive to the country das. Kevin Muldoon take his staff. Go home all. Ryan McHugh and Sheldon Nero jet. Sheldon Murphy. Imroy submission shot doing all. I get Ryan McHugh Conachu. I get Septica for Conor Gleeson Mela Shin.
Sawalinto, Conor Gleeson and Reese Heenmago pass away and listen moving on. Chin too short, McHugh, Chad Freeze, Conor O'Donnell, Lesh and Tiwami, Bridger Demo. Pass now against Reese.
Langen's Federation scored double top. Morgan Hurst free. He's shin. Tashion! Fima Falcon, the Lotakif to have a Budo. The Ahashid at the Shihard Saston score Inter.
Yeah, Kayla and Barney Nella. Padre Morgan, Chin 2 and shot, means Sega. I get the Shanab Creation in Yellow, Ahan Laden.
Score in Morgan. Willam and you don't Willam. On a kick from Moore. This got well, she's so far to Kaklor. Ambitious and good. Agus an bun on Shate. Agus Ashton Dahi of the end of the Keller and shot Kevin.
while we're not getting results, I think our performances overall are probably at 70-75% of where we want to be. Just small little things to tidy up on, and just our ball retention, and obviously our efficiency in the first half as well. We probably had a couple of nice goal chances. We didn't really probably go the extra 4 or 5 yards and make sure of them. But look, great learnings for us.
It's very tough. The way the game is now, when you're down a man, it's very, very difficult playing. It's difficult when you have the full contingent in the field, but when you're down a man, it's tough going. You're defending with a man less. So, no, definitely we're very pleased the way the boys finished the game to come back and get a point.